Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy. This is Mimi's Place and welcome back. I am so glad that you chose to stop by and watch this video. So today's a very different topic. Just something that I was thinking about today while I was cleaning my house. And I've mentioned this in like Facebook groups or general conversations with family and friends, and we all want our houses to smell nice, okay? But there's one thing that we're overlooking. And yes, the candles are nice. The diffusers are nice. The air fresheners can be nice. Febreze is great. Okay, yada, yada. But what is the number one thing that you can do without using any of those products to get your house smelling nice? Want to take a guess? What do you think it could be? How about cleaning your house? How about being neat and clean and dusting and washing things on a regular basis? So let's start with the kitchen. Anytime you have dirty dishes in your sink, okay, to me, my personal opinion, it makes the whole kitchen look dirty. So you're going to want to either do your dishwasher, load it up and run it when it's full, or hand wash and dry your dishes and put them away. Okay, that's number one. If you have appliances, I don't know if you use Windex. I use Dawn and a rag on all my appliances to get them really shiny, and they end up looking really nice. But what I found that I was using the other day on the microwave, on the outside of it too, was lemon juice. I have a huge bottle of lemon juice that I'm really not using. So I dampen a rag or paper towel and I just put a little bit of lemon juice on there and it really shines it up nice and it smells nice, okay? So you're going to want to keep your appliances clean from fingerprints, spilled food, crumbs. Same thing with your microwave. Take the dish out, wash it, dry it, open up the microwave door. You can wipe it down, like I said, you could use like hot water on a rag and lemon juice and wipe it all down really good. Don't forget to do the sealing of it. And you keep your microwave clean. Another thing too is your kitchen drains. If you're not regularly taking care of your kitchen drains, you're going to have well, I can't say you will because I don't know, but chances are there's going to be some odor coming from those drains. So what I like to do is, now again, I have a huge bottle, another huge bottle of apple cider vinegar. Otherwise, I would be using white vinegar. I put some baking soda in the drain and I pour some apple cider vinegar on it. And it bubbles up and it cleans everything and it gets all the gunk out and it does help keep your drain flowing. Okay, so that's another thing. The other thing you're going to want to do is after you load the dishwasher or wash and dry your dishes, you're going to want to scour your sinks. Like, come on, guys, that's really gross. Get some Comet, get something scrunchy brush or something, or a sponge, and really scrub your sink. Then you're going to want to rinse it. Don't forget to dry it. Don't forget to wash behind the faucets in the kitchen, in the sink, all around the little, like the edges of the faucet. Get the paper towel or something and just go in there and you can see all the black gunk come up. And that's just, a lot of that can't be helped. That's just water that splashes. But the point is you can't leave it there. So that could help your house smell really nice. Okay? Another thing is if you have papers and clutter, and a lot of things, I'm talking a lot. I'm not talking about books on a shelf and newspaper. If you have a lot of papers around, it is going to throw off a dusty smell. And your house just isn't going to smell clean. And I don't know, it just attracts the wrong stuff, okay? The more stuff that you have laying around on the floors, like stuff that doesn't get picked up. And I'm not talking about your carpet. That's later on. But when you leave stuff around the floor, it's gonna let off an odor. Like, why? If you're not using something, you read your market ads from the grocery store, you read your mail, you don't want it, shred it, rip it up, throw it away. Like, why pile it up? Don't have piles of stuff around your house. Another thing you're going to want to do is your kitchen garbage. Please, please, guys, empty your kitchen trash. Change that bag every night before you go to bed. You may not smell it, but when someone else is coming in your house, they're going to smell the trash. Okay? You don't smell it because you're so used to it. Same thing with pets. If you have pets, why on earth would you want them going to the bathroom on the floor? And either leaving it there, or a lot of people like to train their puppies on the puppy pads. That's okay. I mean, if they're in a kennel in the house and you have to work, I mean, I don't know. To me, it's just going to smell like a dog kennel. Or change your cat's litter box so it doesn't smell like a cat house, okay? These are just little things that you can do. Another thing is dust will let off an odor, like a dusty, it turns into like a must and a mold. So you're going to want to keep things dusted. Your baseboard, your windowsill, your blinds, above the window jambs, the door jambs, like all that stuff. Just keep it dusted. Keep it dusted. Get a Swiffer duster, the extender, and you can just go all over everything. Ceiling fans, everything. And it's a very easy way to help keep your house clean. Another thing is your bathroom. Okay, now a lot of people, if you don't have a designated place to put your dirty laundry, a lot of people have like a clothes hamper or something in their bathroom. That's fine, but don't leave them there too long. When I just use a laundry basket, to be honest with you, because I can't find a hamper that I like that's the size that I like that would fit in the space I have to offer. So I just use a laundry basket. But do not let dirty clothes stay in the dirty laundry more than a day or so, because it is going to stink. So what you could do is you could maybe put them in another laundry basket and just put it down wherever your washing machine is and do your laundry as you usually do. I mean, that might help. Washing your floors, washing your floors will help your house smell clean. And I don't mean just going over it, the parts that people see. You might want to get down with your hands and go underneath the baseboard and in the little corners and crevices. At least once a month, do that. Then you can mop it, and then every week you can just keep up with just mopping. And like once a month, just do a deep dust and a deep clean. That'll help keep your house smelling fresh. Okay, so you have your fabric, you have your couch, your recliner, your favorite chair, you have cushions, you have all this stuff. You have throw blankets, okay? Do you have to wash your throw blankets all the time? No, I don't. If you don't have a clothesline, you can shake them and just hang them out the window for a while. Hang them out the window, shake it out, get the dust out, because dust is just in the atmosphere. But we have to keep up with it, otherwise we're just going to be a bunch of slobs, right? Just air it out, leave it out there while you get a damp rag, wipe down your furniture to get off any crumbs or dust or, skin sheds. It's gross, just wipe it all down. Spray it maybe like with a little bit of Febreze Lysol. Let it air dry. Shake your blankets off. Bring them in the house. Fold them nice. Put them on the back of the couch. Fluff your pillows. Another thing you can do is open your windows. I don't care how cold it is here in New England, and it gets cold here. Every day for 30 minutes, no matter what the weather is, every window in this house is opened at least 30 minutes to air out the house. You got to get that fresh air in, the stale air out, and it wakes you up, and it just makes the house smell nicer. And another thing, guys, what is this with everybody? Like, I can't say everyone. People that keep all their blinds and curtains closed up. I mean, you walk in the house in the middle of the day, it's like a morgue. Like, open your blinds, let the light in. Let the sun in. The sun sterilizes. okay? You know, do these little things. Your bathroom, okay? Your bathroom. Folks, clean your toilet, clean your sink every day, and do the whole bathroom once a week. That means your shower drain, it unscrews. Screw it, take it out, put some bleach or something in there, clean it out really good, screw it back on, you know. Get in the habit of wiping down your shower after. Empty your bathroom basket every day. Spray a little bit of Lysol back in it. Make sure you got a bag in it so you don't have to wash the basket all the time. And put it back. You have a bathroom rug? Air it out the window while you're freshening up the bathroom. Shake it out, put it back down on the floor. Your bathroom's going to look really clean. These are simple things that you can do to help your house stay clean and smell clean. The refrigerator. Yeah, you'd be surprised. People come in your house, they can smell stuff. If you've got food that's been sitting there more than 3 days, number one, you shouldn't be eating it. If it's cooked food and it's there more than 3 days, in my opinion, you should not be eating it. But if you're going to hold on to it for whatever reason, keep an eye on it. Make sure it still smells the way it's supposed to smell. Wipe down any heavy spills that are in there on a daily basis. I just get a spray bottle with some Lysol and hot water and a rag and spray it on the rag, and I just wipe down my refrigerator. I mean, people are putting their hands in there. So you can have a neat, tidy refrigerator, and you can wipe off the top of your stove the same way. Every time you cook. When you're done cooking, wipe down your stove. Wipe down your counters. My mom taught me that your kitchen was not complete until your dishes were done, the swept, the trash was put away, and there was nothing hanging around in the kitchen. Everything was just wiped down and done. And let me tell you the truth. Once you get into the habit of being neat and clean like this, you're just going to breeze right through it. I mean, it's going to become second nature, and you're not even going to know you're doing it. Another thing is, guys, don't do this to get the crumbs off the table. They're only going on the floor. Do not use the same sponge that you wash your dishes with or the same dish rag to wipe down a table or a counter. Have one designated for wiping down stuff. Wipe it off. If it's a cloth tablecloth like mine is, if there's crumbs on it, I just roll it up, shake it out the window, put it back on the table. Same thing with my placemats. And they get washed like once every week. Just throw them in with the laundry. It's not a big deal. Then you can relax and light your favorite scented candle and enjoy your clean house. But cleaning your house and dusting even walls and blinds and all that, that's part of cleaning. I'm not saying it has to be done every week. So let's not get too rambunctious here. But it needs to be done on a regular basis. So it depends on you, your home, your schedule, what you're willing to do. But I would say pull out the furniture, deep dust and everything at least every other week or every month. I could never go a month without doing it. I do things every week. Every week I have a cleaning day. Today was my cleaning day, and I am done. I'm just going to hang some clothes, and that's it. I'm going to light my candle. Now, my house is clean. All my floors are clean. If you have pets, you got to learn to train them to not be all over the place. They're out. Dogs, they're outside. They come inside. People with the dogs sleep in the bed with them. Do what you want to do, but for an outsider coming into a home like that, it sticks. It really does. No pun intended. So guys, just try to be a little cleaner. Your house will smell cleaner. It'll smell fresher. And then light your candle and enjoy it. Just sit back, read a book, pour a cup of tea, enjoy your afternoon or your evening. And yeah, those are my tips for keeping your house looking and smelling nice. You don't always have to mask up. If you're masking up in covering up the problem, you're always going to have the problem. You need to get rid of the problem. The problem is the clutter and the dirt and the food and crumbs, and that's the problem. You clean that up and then you can relax. So this was a different type of video. I don't know what you guys think of it, but let me know in the comments below what you think of this video. And if you have any other tips or comments, please leave them in the comments below. Always be respectful. Give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I love you guys. I'll see you on my next one.